Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn Shakira's Dai Dai dance, choreographed for the 2026 World Cup. This is not my choreography. I will tag the choreographers down below. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the last 4 8 counts of this dance, so nice and short, just something to get you up and moving. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition, having some fun. Please note, this video is the tutorial only, so you will not find the music in this video. However, there's another video where I will dance it with music, and that one's linked down in the video description or up here on this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and there are gonna be 4 of those total. So we're just learning those last 4 8 counts, something to get you up and moving and having some fun. Our first 8 count, you're gonna start with your feet just a little bit apart. You're gonna take your hands and they're gonna cross, and then they're gonna come up overhead with your palms facing the ceiling. That's gonna be on and 1. So you're gonna go and 1, and if you wanna add a little head, you're gonna look on and to your left, and then pop it back to the front on 1. So you're gonna go and 1. You're gonna hold the count of 2. On 3, you're gonna bring your hands palms up to your hips like this, and you're just gonna move your hips around, because they don't lie, right? Mine don't look like Shakira's, yours don't have to either. So this was and 1, hold, 2, go, 3, 4. So you're just circling your hips in whatever direction you want for 3, 4. Try that. 5, 6, 7, hands up. On 1, hold, 2, then 3, 4. From here, hands are gonna go into fists, and we're gonna be taking your shoulders and pushing them up and down like this. So we're gonna go 5 and 6 and 7. You're gonna step out to the front a little bit as you take that first shoulder. 5 and 6. So we're still doing that right shoulder up on the count. Up, up, but I'm facing back to the front, and then one more shoulder to the front. So we're going front, side, front. It's going up, up, up. That's on 5, 6, 7. You have to step forward into it because we were here. 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. On the count of 8, you're gonna stick that booty back, hinging at your hips. Right arm's gonna hang down, left arm's gonna come up. Now, if you're dancing with multiple people, you would put this hand on another person's back. So we're connecting here. Then we're gonna shake our booty a little. So we're just gonna hit that pose on 8. So this was shoulder, 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 hit. You're just gonna hit that pose. That's our first 8 count. So we start again here. Hands are gonna come and cross on and 1, hold, 2, hips, 3, 4. You're gonna step forward, 5, 6, 7, then hit that pose on 8. Let that hand hang down, down. Here we go, count you in. 5, 6, 7, hands up. On 1, hold, 2, hips, 3, shoulders front and back, 6, 7, hit 8. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, you got it. And 1, hold, 2, hips, 3, shoulders, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's a little out of my comfort zone, but that's okay. It's gonna be fun. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's a recorded tutorial. You can pause it, practice it whenever you need to. When you're ready to move on to our second 8 count. We finished here. You're connected with the person in front of you, or you're just hanging out here. We're gonna be lifting this right leg up and down. So you're kind of lifting the toe, dropping it down, and you're gonna let that hip be really loose so that your hip is bouncing up and down as you're doing that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. It doesn't have to look great. We're just doing it for fun, right? You're gonna take it, we're gonna be bent over, but I'm just gonna show you. You're gonna go 1, 2, wherever your foot is, then we're gonna go forward on 3, 4, 5. So you go forward 3, 4, 5, then you start to back it up, 6, 7, and that 8th one you're back, and we're gonna start to shift our weight into that right foot on 8 as well. So 2 in place, 1, 2, and then we start to move forward for 3, 4, 5, then you move back, 6, 7, 8, and we'll stand up. But you are bent over here in this position. So pull that hand pull that hand that's hanging down. You don't want to just, it's kind of pulled in, like on the inside of your right leg. And we're going 1, 2, forward, 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 back, back, back. Start to stand up, yeah? Doesn't matter what it looks like. Here we go, we're gonna try it. 5, 6, 7, pop your hip on 1, 2, forward 3, 4, 5, back 6, 7, 8. Start to stand up. Yeah, very, very nice. So our first 8 count, here's your preview. We did, and 1, hold, 2, hips 3, 4, shoulders 5, 6, 7. You hit this pose on 8, and then you start to pop that right foot right away on 1, 2, forward 3, 4, 5, back 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna count you and we're gonna do our first 2 8 counts. You're doing amazing. Here we go. 5, if you're moving, you're doing it right. 5, 6, 7, arms up. And 1, hold, 2, hips 3, shoulders front and back, 6, 7, hit 8, hip 1, 2, move forward, 3, 4, 5, move back, 6, 7, 8. Start to stand up. Yeah, those are our first 2 8 counts. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. When you're ready, we're gonna go on to our third 8 count. So we just did this little thing. We stood up on 8. You're gonna take that left foot forward on 1, just your footwork. You're gonna step forward, 1, 2, then you're gonna go, and 3, 4. So we're going left, right, left, and then you're gonna go a little, or no pausing, right, left, right, left, right, left. 3 times faster. So ideally you would have room to move this up. I don't have room, so I'm gonna do it in place. I'm gonna go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's gonna be a little silly since I'm doing it in place, but that's okay. Your arms, I believe they take pointer fingers. Right arm's gonna be bent, left arm's gonna be straight. So we're like this. When you do that first step, we kind of do like a little snake into it. You take your head to the front, 1, 2, you have those 2 counts to do it. 1, 2, you're gonna do it again, and 3, 4. So this time you add that right foot. Left, right, left. Try that. 5, 6, step forward on your left and point. Left, right, left. And then you're gonna keep your head to the front this time and just go right, left, right, left. And then on the last one, the third one, you're gonna add the head back, right, left. One more time. I can't keep that arm up. It wants to keep coming forward. So it's slow, slow, quick, quick, and then you do one more slow. When I say slow, I mean it gets 2 counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So that last one gets 2 counts as well. Try it nice and slow. 5, 6, we step forward on your left. This is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. I can't, I'm running into my mirror. We're gonna do it again. So this left arm is kind of coming in and out every time, and I think this right arm is just kind of staying where it is. So it's 1, 2, circle the arm, then circle, circle, do one more circle, yeah? I don't know what this hand's doing. That's gonna come after we finished here on 7, or on 8, we start to tap that right foot. 1, 2, forward, 3, 4, 5, you go back 6, 7, you start to stand up 8, so you can go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah? Woo, back to the top, nice and slow from, and 1, hold 2. 5, 6, 7, you can do it, and 1, hold 2. Hips 3, shoulders front and back, 6, 7, over 8. We go 1, 2, we move 3, 4, one more, back 6, 7, left points, and points again, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah, let's do it one more time. I don't know what I was saying. 5, 6, 7, arms up, and 1, hold 2. Hips 3, shoulders front and back, 6, 7, over 8. We go 1, 2, forward 3, 4, 5, back 6, 7, left, points on 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic job. You're doing an awesome job. Let's learn our fourth and final 8 count and finish it out. So we just did this gallop step that I look so cool doing, as you know. From here, you're gonna step out to the right. Your hands are gonna come up, and we're gonna be flicking the hands side to side from the wrists like this. So as you step to the right, you're gonna go 1 and a 1 and a 1. 3 little right, left, right, and then you're gonna do a little and 2. So just a little boop, boop, hip pop. Right, hip, pop. Then we're gonna go left, left, hip, pop. So we're leaning to the right, leaning to the left. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. It's fast. 5, 6, you step out on 1. Right, hip, pop. Left, hip, pop. Yes, 5, 6. I can do this one. From here, you have to start on and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. From here, we're gonna do some flourishing with your right wrist. So you're gonna put your right elbow on your left hand, and we're gonna step out to the right. You're gonna flourish. It's gonna land out to the right. You're gonna flourish it to the left. So it's gonna be and a 5, and a 6, and a 5, and a 6. It's very fast. And a 5, and a 6, and then you're gonna stand up and go and 7. Let's go, is what she says, and that's where it ends. And 7, if you really wanted to like throw a hand up on 8 or something, you can, either way. So it's circle right, circle left, come here, the end. So this last 8 count, you're stepping out to the right, we're doing these hands on and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 5, and a 6, and 7. I'll count you in. 5, 6, hands right, left, right, hip, pop, left, left, flourish, and a 5, and a 6, and 7. Yeah, very nice. That's gonna come after 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. 8, you step, and a 1 and 2. So you just have to be ready for it because it's very fast. Yeah, very, very nice. All right, the time has come to go all the way back to the top. Put all 4 of our 8 counts together, ridiculously slow. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. So we're gonna start with that, and 1, 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, you can do it. And 1, hold 2. Hips 3, shoulders front and back. 5, 6, 7, pose 8. We tap 1, 2, forward 3, 4, forward 5, but now back 6, 7, left, point, front. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and a 1, hip pop, and a 3. Now we go, and a 5, and a 6, and 7. Let's go. Fantastic job. We're gonna go a little faster. If you're not ready, that's okay. Go back, watch it slower again as many times as you need to. If you are ready, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, hands up. On 1, 2, 3, shoulders front and back. 5, 6, pose on 8. Hips 1, 2, forward 3, 4, 5, back 6, 7, left, point 2, 3, 4, right, left, then in a 1 and 2, and a 3 and 4, and a 5, and a 6 and 7. Ooh, it's fast. Fantastic job. We're gonna do it one more time here together, up closer to the tempo of the song. Remember, we're just doing this to move and have fun, so let's have fun. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, hands up. On 1, hold 2, hips 3, shoulders 5, 6, 7, over 1, 2, forward 3, 4, 5, back 6, 7, left, points 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Fantastic job. And that was our tutorial. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, we just dance to move and it feels good and we don't care what it looks like. We're just up and moving to have fun. When you're ready to practice with music, remember it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me today. I had so much fun dancing with you. I'm proud of you for getting up and moving and doing something that's so good for your body and your mind and hopefully your spirit as well. I hope you had fun. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Please be kind to yourself. Please be kind to others. And please come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.